Welcome to this fabulous 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath urban townhome found in the vibrant Grandview Yard. The open concept layout is perfect for entertaining or just relaxing at the end of the day. Natural light pours in, highlighting the fresh, neutral palette that works beautifully with any style. You're just minutes from downtown, the Ohio State University campus, restaurants, breweries, fitness studios, parks, and everything that makes this neighborhood so desirable.
If you're looking for low-maintenance living with style and energy, this one absolutely delivers. Call the Parish team for a private showing today.